Guys, we are welcome back to Spep Action Tech. It's only on this channel that you get to know all the VPNs that you can use for free internet. Only on this channel that you always get updates. Just update and free files to upload and use them for free internet. You can support this program by subscribing to our channel. The subscription is free. Most of us don't know. You just need to click on the subscription button down there in the video, and it is free. It will cost you nothing. So please help us always bring these things to you. Today I'm just going to show you some VPN apps that you can use to get free internet. Free internet for both MTN and then Vodafone users. You can see the list of the VPNs. And this is not just all. And one thing about it is that sometimes MTN and other telecom these things always come out to cancel most of them. So we always want our users, our followers, to subscribe to our channel so that when they cancel it, we will give you different one, because all the time we are doing the research. The first one I'm going to talk about is the one VPN, and then the wire tune. The wire tune is the one that I would prefer Vodafone users or other networks to use. And then the one VPN tool, it is good for MTN users, but other network users can also try. You can try, and if it is working, you let us know in the comment section. But all that I'll be showing you, they are working 24/7. I've made a lot of research about them, and I've tried all of them myself, and I'll be trying them in the video here, sir, for you to see that it is working. But the servers, I've not tried all the servers, so only those that are working that I will be showing you. So when you try different servers within them, you drop it in the comment section. This the just well, how will you put it there? This is just a sample of how the one VPN would look like. So just in the first box, just select freeeee1, as you can see it there. Other servers will be working there, so I suggest that you drop them in the comment section. Any server that you find out it is working. The second one too, you also go and select depending on what you are going to use, or the one that will work for you. The one that is working is those that I have circled to show you. They are those working for me now, but some of them are working. I couldn't try all of them. So those of you who this one might not work for you, I will say you should try different ones, and all those that will work for you, you drop it in the comment section. They are all working 100%, but I have been saying it, you need 4G network connections. If your own is 3G or H plus like my own, you see my network connection, I would suggest that you shouldn't use it, or you can only manage with it because it wouldn't be fast. In fact, in the afternoon, this one I was using it for Zoom meeting, and it saved me because I could buy like 10 Ghana cedi plus data, because the Zoom was about 2 hours, and we all know how Zoom meeting video things are costly. So when I was in town, I really enjoyed it. But when I came back and the network connection is low, I have to disconnect it because it is not working all that fast. But if I want to do other things, I can also connect it. Like I'll be connecting it here right now for you to see. So after selecting everything, just click on the start button as you see, and you wait for some minutes as things are setting up. All right, it is connected. They're saying thank you for using one VPN, and you can see the key. There's some key on top of my phone. If you look at the network signal site, the other one that look like battery is just power saving modes, but you can see the key. There's some key. Those some type of key. If you start to use it, you see something different on top of your notification, and you detect to know that that is what I'm showing. Just the direction of the key is where I've just marked. Yes. Um. So what they are saying, that the server is full or something like that. Just try to close this. Minimize this tab. You just minimize it. We all know how to minimize tabs. Just try to put this page in a background and go to any side at all. And sometimes they don't work free like that. You just need like mashup 0.07 to connect it. And when you connect it, you can use it like the whole day. But when it start to disconnect or something like that, it can be your network fault. And when that mashup finish and it disconnect, before it can connect, it will need some small, data connection to connect again. You can go and do another 0.07. If you don't know how to do the mashup 0.07, we have a video on that. The video link will be in the description, and you can browse it through in this channel. Just go to the description self. After that, we are going to the other VPN, but I will say that if you are new here, just go to the description and also join our Telegram channel. That is where we've been updating people to. And in the channel, you can always ask us questions, though you can leave your questions in our comment section, the comment button. Let's go on. I'm going to show you how to use the Y to know, and that one all MTN users or other services, Vodafone, Airtel, Tigo, or any network in Africa here. You can also try it. They are really working. They are working very fast and then very secure. With these VPNs, I wish some of us would know the full meaning of the VPN. You can do that on Google. VPNs are servers that help us to, secure our browsing and other things. They help us to, like, they restrict some restrictions that our countries have. They can help you to just bypass them. Some websites that if you are in Ghana and Ghanaians are not allowed to go there with VPNs, it can automatically change your location. Like it will go and do as if you are in the selected server, that location, and you will be browsing through it. So VPNs are always nice, good, if not for the purpose of free browsing, free internet. VPNs were good, and people use it not only because of free internet. Even if you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can still connect with it, connected to a VPN, and your browsing will be very fast. So this is how the open to know look like. Wire tune. This is how it look like. Those of you see in this one, you can see France flag there. That is one of the servers that is working for me. And then we have Germany too. I will be showing you all these things. If you find out that any server is also working, then we couldn't mention it. Just mention the name of the app and then the server that is working in the comment section, and we will be glad to see that. It also help us to always bring nice educational lessons or browsing tricks to you. I'm just going to show you the list of the servers so that you know those who are working. You can see the server area. Yeah, you just scroll. Any of these can work for you, depend on your location. But so far, the one that I know, those that I know that I'm going to show you, you can see the selected one. There's some sign there. Let me just show you. Yeah, this one. That is the one working for me now. And then Germany 2. Germany 2. You can also see it there. I'll be using the France. After that, you just need to connect. Click on the connect button. You have to turn on your data. They will be showing you this AD. You need to watch it. It is what do we call it? 30 seconds AD. You can see that my time is 15 minutes that I will be using it. So if you watch it, they can add you like 3 hours or 4 hours. You can watch another one to add like until you can even add like 30 days minutes. And if you don't turn off your data, the VPN will be connected till those days. So the crypto boys and other people, these are some of the things that they've been using. Your data will never go off. So though I'm not teaching because of crypto or this, and I'm just citing and some example. So when you just connect and you try to minimize the page, minimize it. You don't just quit, just minimize it. I'll be showing you the other tunnels. We have the Open VPN. This one you need to import file. Yeah, this one, and then there's another VPN called the Open Tunnel. You see the Open Tunnel down there too, top there. Yeah, this is the Open Tunnel, and then these two you need to import files, and then the file I'll be dropping it in our Telegram channel, or you join the WhatsApp group. All will be in the group, in the video description. The file we have been creating it expires like a week, some are like a month, and some are there are different types. It always expires depending on how we created it. And because of those files, these VPNs don't usually disturb with ADs. You can see only the banal AD, only something like that you see. But because of the file, you won't see any. Even if I import the file, the AD will not come. This VPN it stopped working. It was giving us free internet. In fact, somewhere January and December 2021, it wasn't easy. It was trending until MTN people disconnected it. So in this May, just in April, we are still in April. Yeah, in April that we got to know that the VPN is back to working. You how to import the file is what I'm just showing you. You choose import config. It will take you to your storage. You make sure that you give the app permission to access your storage, and you try. If you download the file from WhatsApp, you look for WhatsApp folder. If you download it from Telegram, also look for Telegram folder and look for documents, and then make sure that the name of the file you saw in the place that you downloaded it, the name of that file. You should search for the name of that file and click on it, and it will automatically be imported into the app. And you come back and click on the start button, and you click on the start button. It will also connect, and then there will be key on top like how it happened in the one VPN. And that is what you'll be using it to. It is very fast. This one, is for professional users, because we import file, it's very fast, and it depends on the kind of file. Sometimes this can you can use it for anything anything at all, any website at all that you want to go. I'm only showing this for educational purpose only. I don't own any right in these apps, or I've not been sponsored to show these apps. I'm just trying to help us minimize our data costs and also build a community. If you like it, just subscribe to the channel and like the video, and also leave your comment. There's nothing else again. I'll be showing you how to use the other VPNs too, and I'll try to always give you updates, because MTN people, I know very soon they will be disconnecting these two things, and when they disconnect them, you people will not be able to use these VPNs to access free internet. So therefore, we will do research and know. We will even bring new one before they will disconnect it. So subscribe to the channel so that you always get the latest VPNs and start using them. We are really happy to have you here. Let's just go back to the other apps, but don't forget to leave all your programs. Those of you who be using this, it's very difficult to use. It's very difficult. I will always like you to leave the questions in the comment section. After that, if you are going back, you try to choose the minimize button. Don't choose exit, because if you exit, it will disconnect, and when the key disconnects and the key move from the top place, you need to reconnect it. Let's go to this VPN. This one is one of the oldest one that I got to know. Somewhere I started using it somewhere 2020. Those of you who think that VPNs just came in 2022, we started using it somewhere 2020, and by then people have used it and become tired. Okay, you can see those that I've selected. I'm not going to open them, though I will show you some sample. This is just what you should just select, and you see the first bottom, Germany, two that I've selected. France is also working. Try the rest, especially those of you that this one will not work for you. You try the different servers and update us in the comment section. After that, you minimize the page. Please don't click on the exit button, because you'll be disconnected. Thank you. Subscribe, and let's see you later.